Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery on a black African American man who had a surgery done by me, by Dr. Diep. We did around 2,000 grafts something to restore his frontal hairline, increase the frontal density. Now his hair looks fantastic. I lowered his hairline and built the temple. And this is a year follow-up. This is before. And you can see. And then a year later, now you see nice hairline before, his hairline all the way up here, and afterward, all the way straight across. Before, afterward, straight across, build the temple, and all the way up here, lower hairline, build the temple, all like that in here, we reinforce that, lower the hairline, and go straight across now. Okay. Before, after, before, after. And this is where he is right now.